In the pulse of today's digital world, the heartbeat is powered by reliable electrical systems. An uninterrupted power supply is more than a convenience, it's a necessity. Enter GZEP Electricals Limited, a beacon of expertise and experience in the realm of electrical engineering. GZEP Electricals Limited is not just a service provider, it's a fully licensed and insured electrical contractor with a specialty in power supply for information transport systems. With a keen focus on sustaining the digital pulse, they offer on-site backup generator installations. This ensures that the heartbeat never skips a beat, providing an uninterrupted power supply that keeps the world spinning. But their services extend beyond installations. The electrical design team at GZEP Electricals Limited is a group of innovators, creators of detailed schematics. They are the architects of affordable grounding system design solutions, ensuring safety and efficiency in every project they undertake. And what about monitoring? GZEP Electricals Limited has that covered too. They offer direct connection for monitoring and recording AC electrical systems, an invaluable tool for maintaining efficiency and preventing potential issues before they arise. From electrical installations to maintenance services, GZEP Electricals Limited is a one-stop solution for all electrical needs. Their expertise shines in the realm of diagnostic and fault repair. They are maestros in designing and maintaining instrumentation and control systems for both industrial and commercial applications. With a proven record of successes and compliance with all regulations, GZEP Electricals Limited has established itself as a leader in the power generation industry. Their specialization in generator servicing is a testament to their commitment to providing reliable power supply solutions. Every beat of the digital heart matters. Every pulse is vital. In a world that never sleeps, GZEP Electricals Limited is the guardian of the power that keeps it awake. So why settle for less? Choose the best. Choose GZEP Electricals Limited. Your electrical needs have never been in better hands.